Dancehall artists Shensia and Buju Banton recently made their Hot 100 debut with their features on Kanye West's new album Donda. The track Pure Soul, which features Shensia and Roddy Ricch, landed at number 52, and Believe What I Say, which features Buju Banton, was number 28 on the chart. Shensia's manager Ramesh Major took to Instagram to congratulate her while acknowledging her recent accomplishment. He shared this screenshot of Billboard Chart's Twitter post announcing that 23 of Kanye's songs from Donda made the Hot 100 this week. In his caption, he wrote, quote, "So proud of my Shenyang, swear, just 5 years and you're doing so much greatness for your music and culture," end quote. The songstress now joins the likes of female artists Lady Saw, now going by Marion Hall, and Patra, who also made appearances on the chart. Yesterday marked the late cultural icon, the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley's 102nd anniversary. And in paying tribute to the iconic figure, the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Grange, announced plans for a new monument. Now, this new monument will be part of a Miss Lou corner to be established at Emancipation Park in Kingston. Now, in a release, Minister Grange said that this Miss Lou Center will feature a life-size statue of the Mother of Culture and will be a statue with a difference. It will depict the love and care Miss Lou had for children. She'll be in a sitting position, with children having the opportunity to literally sit in her lap while listening to her reciting poems and telling stories. The Miss Lou Corner, to be established by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport in partnership with the National Housing Trust and Fontana Pharmacy, will be a Jamaica 60 legacy project. Ms. Grange said the government was working to ensure that current and future generations are aware of and develop an appreciation for Miss Lou's significant contribution to Jamaica and our culture. In keeping with that commitment, the government in 2018 established Miss Lou Square in Gordontown, St. Andrew, featuring a life-sized bronze statue of the author, poet, playwright, comedian, performer, folklorist, social commentator, and children's champion. It also established the Miss Lou Archive at the National Library of Jamaica in 2019 with information on her life and work. And most recently, a mural in her honor was completed at the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica complex in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, where Miss Lou hosted her pioneering children's television program Ring Ding between 1970 and 1982. The mural is part of a series being done across Jamaica to mark the Diamond Jubilee. Members of the entertainment industry have been sending their tributes following the shocking death of U.S. actor Michael K. Williams. The 54-year-old was found dead in his New York apartment on Monday. Michael K. Williams is best known for starring in HBO drama series The Wire. The Wire creator David Simon wrote on Twitter that Williams was a fine man and a rare talent, while singer Mariah Carey described him as a beautiful soul. Tributes also came from directors Ava DuVernay and Spike Lee, among others. I'm Deidre reporting for ePrime.